This is gonna be exciting. Moving our hives for the first time by ourselves. Can't wait to get these bees moved out of these orange groves.
To have honey year-round, we have to constantly move our beehives to different nectar sources. This involves forklifts, big trucks, working at night, and a whole lot of nerves.
Are you nervous? Come on.
A little bit.
After the sun goes down, all the bees return to their hive. That's why we do this at night, so we can get as many bees in the hive as possible.
We've always hired people to move our hives for us, so this is a big day learning how to do this because we're trying to grow. It saves us a lot of money in the long run if we can move our own beehives.
Slow down. You're good. Watch the forks.
It's important for me to know all aspects of my business, and that includes me driving a forklift.
You're good. Just go up. That's good. Curl out. There. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This is so stressful.
Sit back. You gotta have weight on the seat.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to move these boxes around, but all I hear is Derek barking orders at me.
Don't hit the trailer. Corner.
Too hard.
Stop. Stop.
Oh my God.
Okay, this is gonna be so much harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Yes, it's terrifying because I don't want to tip the hives. I don't want to lose all the bees.
Can you set it down?
Really?
Curl.
These bees are my babies. The last thing I want is for a box to fall.
Why are you doing that?
Remember when we said it'd only be like an hour and a half?
Yeah, it won't take that long.
We're moving bee boxes from one apiary to another. And let me tell you, operating a forklift at night while getting stung is not easy. It's been over 2 hours and we're not even halfway done yet.
Why are you at an angle?
I like it that way.
Curl out.
Derek and I usually have a really good relationship, but tonight, it's being put to the test.
If it slides back, everything's falling off that pallet.
Yeah.
Baby!
Apparently, I don't take direction very well.
You gotta be kidding me. Why are you doing that?
I want to go faster. It's too slow.
Oh my gosh.
Every beekeeper at some point has tipped their hives. I know there'll be a time where I tip these hives, especially if I have to be the one driving the forklift.
Careful going down. You don't want to go down too hard.
Damn, I'm stuck. Something's wrong.
Yeah, curl out, curl out.
Which way's out? I cannot remember.
Okay, I've had my fun. I'm gonna give Derek a turn.
I need a break. You can do a few. This has been very nerve-wracking, and we're probably going to be up all night. We have a full night of moving hives across Florida, and I have a full day of bee removal work tomorrow. But you know what? It's all for the love of honey. You're good. That's great. You did better than I did. I'm so proud of you.
All right, all right. Can you push that with your hand?
I'll try. Oh, I did it. We're more than halfway done, but it doesn't mean that we're out of the clear.
All of a sudden, out of nowhere, the bees woke up and they were mad.
They're all over me. Woo, this hive is nasty. We're getting our asses kicked out here.
I need light. I can't see. I can't get off of it. Can you shine it under?
Hold on, I'm getting stung so bad. Oh, they're all over me. Oh my God. Crap, I'm getting stung so bad. I'm just trying to get them off.
Ugh. I've been stung a lot doing this, but tonight was one of the worst.
I think I just got stung 50 times. This is our last one. What a relief, thank God. Did you get stung at all?
Nope.
Well, good for you.
Are you kidding me? That's not fair. What are you thinking?
It wasn't too bad.
Seriously?
It wasn't too bad. I was
feel
okay.
like it was torture.
I was all right.
I just kept thinking you were gonna tip them or they were gonna fall. It made me so anxious.
Okay, now that we have the pallets stacked on the truck, we have to strap them down because if one of these boxes fell while we were driving down the road, that is my worst nightmare.
Throw for the fences, baby. You did it. Where's the hook at? There?
Yeah. Get stung again. I've been stung so many times. All right, you're in the middle.
The hives are good.
Great. Oh, that was a good throw. You think it's midnight yet?
What time is it?
What time do you think it is?
They're not going anywhere. They're staying put. All right, I think we're good. Trailer's good, truck's good. Let's get these things unloaded.
All right, let's go. We did great. You did great. All done.
And just when we thought we were done,
We're stuck. We're stuck in the sugar sand in the middle of the night with a full truckload of bees. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try one more time.
I just want to be done with this.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Woo! We made it! Oh, thank you, God.
And with that, the long night is now officially over.